honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? I'm laughing because I recorded this video like 5 times. So all right, this is my 5th time, and let's hope this is a home run. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got while I went thrift shopping this weekend. I found a few Christmas items and I want to share it with you guys. So let's get started. The first thing I have here is this wreath. I found this wreath and I thought to myself, this will be a perfect idea to make little projects using these adorable snowmans. So I love the wreath and I think it's a great idea, but my initial intentions are to destroy this wreath and make these Santas individual and kind of like DIY them and spread them around the office. So I love this wreath. I thought it was really cute. I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we'll see what happens. I would probably am going to most likely record a video showing you guys how I would probably DIY this wreath. So we'll see what happens. So okay, so that's the wreath that I got at the thrift shop. I also picked up a whole bunch of other little knickknacks, and I love this. I thought this was brilliant, awesome. So I picked him up. There was 2 of these. I thought these were so cute. So I thought that this would be awesome for the office, right? So when I first saw these, I thought to myself, a Santa list, right? Because these adorable Santas are like kind of holding like this kind of like, I don't know, little thing here. It looks like the Santa is kind of holding it. So I'm thinking to myself, I can probably make like a fake like Santa list and have it come like kind of down, and then we can actually like put it somewhere on top of the shelf in the office. I thought it would be a great idea. So I grabbed 2 of these adorable little Santas I had. These were only $2.50 each one, which I thought was a really good deal. They weren't having a 50% off. I love going when they have 50% off deals, because then I can really not be too careful with what I pick, and I can be kind of like kind of free in knowing that everything is 50% off. But when I went this weekend, everything was regular price, so I had to be a little bit careful with what I was spending and what I was grabbing. So okay, then I found this Ornament Kit, and I'm pretty sure this is from like, I don't know, it might be like from like AC Moore or some place. But I like the idea, and I thought I'm going to make this for some of my co-workers children that I'm thinking of doing. So this is like a bell ornament kit, right? So what in here you have like bells, and you have like this little wooden block, you have some pipe cleaners, some eyeball like googly eyes, and then some other pipe cleaners here. And the idea behind it is you're going to kind of put together a little reindeer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little reindeer. So the kit is not that complicated to kind of like copy and like create. So I'm thinking of doing this for my co-workers, for their babies, and then they can kind of sit with them and help them build this cute little reindeer. So I thought it was a good idea. So I'm probably going to DIY this and kind of make my own little kit, and I'm going to probably show you guys how I put this together. It's not that hard, you know, because if you can see in here, you get 4 bells, 4 pom-poms, 4 pipe cleaners, 4 foam shapes, and then you get wired pipe cleaners. You get googly eyes, So there's not a lot of supplies in here, but we can definitely do like a little dupe on this, and that would be awesome for the kids for Christmas. All right, then I got a few other things here. I didn't go crazy, but I did get some good things. I found this ribbon, which I thought it was great. Guys, okay, so I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna go like, I'm talking a lot, I'm sorry, I know I am, but I have to like say this. If you guys remember the store rag shop, can you please say or do something or like write a little note or message down on the bottom of this video and remind me that I'm not the only grandma that remembers the rag shop? You guys, I went and I found this and I grabbed it because I thought this would be beautiful to kind of like incorporate in the Christmas project. But when I started looking at it, I realized that this is from the rag shop. You see the sticker there, rag? And this was a kind of like a Michael's, but it was more like back in the days when Michael didn't exist, or I think AC Moore was still opened back then when the rag shop also was open. But anyway, it was a really old store called Rag Shop that they sell a whole bunch of craft stuff, and they closed, and I just gave me some really good memories. I don't know, I really, when I saw that name, it just brought me back some really awesome memories back in the days. So I just wanted to know if anybody else remembers the rag shop. Let me know at the bottom of this video if you do. Okay, I got that. I also found these really cute, adorable little ornaments. I thought this would be so cute to add. I love them. And I think they were like so inexpensive. I think I bought like all these ornaments for like $3, which was not so bad. But they're lollipops ornaments. You see that? You get a few green and a few this like burgundy color. I thought these were so cute, and I love the idea. So I am going to definitely use these for Christmas. I just love these ornaments, and they already have the little hooks here, so we can actually hook these up somewhere in the office, or maybe like on the wall or something. We could probably DIY this too. Maybe make like a nice little, I don't know, embellishment in front of the lollipop to make it more Christmas inspired. But I love this. And I got a whole bunch of these in here. I got 4 burgundy and I got 4 green, which is a really nice, decent amount of ornaments. All right. I got another stuff here to show you, and then I will let you guys go. But I want to show you really quickly just a few more things. I have here hold on, what is this? Oh, okay, this is not okay. So I found these little broom, like little broom ornaments. I kind of like this, but I thought it was cute. So I grabbed this, and then I found this adorable little snowman. How cute is he? I love him. He's the color of my tree. My tree is pink, and it has pink awesome little ornaments and just some pink Christmas balls, and it's just a very pretty girly Christmas tree, and he's gonna be really awesome to add and incorporate around the house because it kind of gives like that pinky, dusty, rosy color that goes with the tree. So I love this cute little adorable snowman. He's so cute. All right, I found these angels, which I thought they were awesome. Again, it gave me some memories of like back in the days. That's why I love going thrift shopping, guys, because it just like a few of my friends are like, why do you go thrift shopping? All they sell is just old stuff there and things that smell like old. But I think to me, thrift shopping is more than just that. It's finding like these awesome things that were used back in the days and just incorporating it now in this like new world that we have. And I just love the idea of having like vintage or like old things that were used back then, right? So hi baby, you okay? All right, you all right? Yeah. Okay. So I found these angels and I thought they were awesome, and it reminded me of like back in the days, right? And they're like honeycomb decorations. So what they do is, this is the angel, and then you open this up and it's kind of like a honeycomb design, and it's so cute because you can actually hang it like from a wall or like from a ceiling. Is that for me? You are the best husband ever. Give me, let me show my crafty friends what my husband just got me. So my hubby just got back from outside and he bought me this. Look at, don't I have the best husband ever? He is such a good husband. Thank you, baby. I love you. You're so sweet. You're gonna get chunky though. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay, so anyway, I got 2 of these. I thought these were awesome, guys, and so I love them. So I grabbed them. I thought I don't know. I know they're old looking, but I just love the idea of these cute little angels and the honeycomb. So cute. Okay, a few more things and then I'm gonna let you guys go. I found this, my holiday plan little binder, and it really caught my attention. So what this is just a little binder, and it just kind of like goes through like a holiday planning, right? Kind of a thing. So the first little section is about notes, right? So you write down your holiday notes. I don't know if you guys can see that. You might not be able to, but it says holiday notes. And then the second section is about holiday card lists, right? So you write down the list of the holidays, cards that you want to mail out to like your family and friends. The really awesome thing about this book, which I also find fascinating, is they're actually writing on this. So some person back in the days had the had their list of their wonderful friends and families that they were mailing out the card list to. So I thought that was also fascinating, and it's just a wonderful history. I don't know these people obviously, but just the idea of someone just like spending time and writing down all these people's names here to mail out their like holiday greeting card. It's just a really beautiful, awesome way to kind of remember how they used to do things back in the days, right? Because now we don't do that. Now it's like, okay, the iPhone, let me put it in there. But we're so like tech savvy now that none of this stuff was ever like, we would never do this now. I mean, I guess some of us would, but the majority of us wouldn't. Anyway, then you have another section that says shopping lists, which is all your shopping lists for the holidays, right? And then it says here, in addition to your family and friends, you can also like add special people to remember, like your neighbors, your teacher, your host, your secret Santa, your babysitter, your coach, your hairstylist, your co-worker, your clients, and others. I love this. This is such a cute idea. I love it. And so you have your shopping list here. And then the last section is the gift receipts. So I guess you write down the gifts that you're giving out, and then from whom or who you're going to give it to. So I love this. So my idea behind this is, okay, I'm thinking of probably making a little holiday planning project so I can probably mail it out to my crafty friends, right? So I will probably do that with you guys. I'll probably show you how I would put my version of putting a little holiday planning booklet together. And I'm thinking of using as my inspiration and as my sample these little pages in here. So I might probably make like photocopies and then create like a little booklet, and then I'm gonna mail these out to my family and friends. I thought it was a good idea. I don't know, we'll see. Something that came to my mind, you know, we'll see if that kind of works out or not. The idea is there and I thought it was fun, so we'll see. Okay, the last two things I want to show you is I found this like fence, and I thought it was awesome. It has 4 sections. It has this gigantic surprise like gift. Then this one has a star that's also gigantic. On the back you have this candy cane and you have this stocking. So these are individual little fences, and these will be awesome to use as like little embellishments or like a crafting project. I love it. And this is, I don't know what this is, where this is from, but it says Hearts and Crafts. The last thing I want to show you is this little booklet that I also found, which I thought it was so cute and so just adorable. It's a little snowman in a box, like instruction booklet, but I love that the snowman is so vintagey looking. I love that it's cardboard. It's really, really durable. It has all these instructions in here on how to, I guess, make a snowman in a box. Obviously, this is probably part of, I'm assuming, I don't know. Was there like a snowman box that this belonged to? I don't know. But it's just a little booklet that shows you how to do a snowman, which I thought it was awesome. I really was interested in this here. I'm thinking of maybe making copies of this and doing like a DIY project with it. I loved it. So that is the last thing that I got, and that is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope that this was helpful. Not helpful, but I hope that you enjoy seeing me show you these wonderful goodies, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching me, enjoy watching me show you guys what I got. Thank you so much for stopping by, my loves. I will see you on my next video. I love you all. Be safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.